Hey there, future Uber Eats drivers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to download the Uber Eats driver app for 2025. If you're excited about earning extra cash by delivering food, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll break it down step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to hit the road, or rather, the App Store, in no time. First things first, make sure your device is up to snuff. You'll need a smartphone running the latest version of iOS or Android. This ensures the app works smoothly and you avoid any compatibility issues. Why is this important? Well, in 2025, Uber has updated their app with new features like enhanced navigation and real-time earnings tracking, so a modern device is key. Step 1. Open your device's App Store. If you're on an iPhone, that's the App Store. For Android users, fire up the Google Play Store. Once you're in, take a second to search for Uber Eats driver in the search bar. Make sure to select the official app from Uber Technologies, Inc. to avoid any fakes. Next, hit that download or install button. The app is free, but it might take a minute to download depending on your internet speed. While it's installing, remember that you'll need to have your driver's license and other documents ready for the sign-up process later. Once it's downloaded, open the app. You'll be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your details. Uber might ask for your vehicle information or a background check, which is standard for safety. And just like that, you're all set. Now you can start exploring the app, accepting deliveries, and managing your schedule. One quick tip for 2025. Keep an eye on Uber's updates for features like electric vehicle incentives. If you run into any issues, check Uber's help center or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and gig economy tips. Drive safe and happy delivering.